Hello everyone, I'm Srishti Srivastava. I'm an assistant professor of computer science at the University of Southern Indiana. Today I'm going to talk about some of the computer science program highlights, the program that we have here at USI, our affiliation with the Association for Computing Machinery, which is the largest computing society in the world. It also hosts some of our top research journals, some of our top tier conferences, and the Turing Award, which is more commonly known as the Nobel Prize for Computer Science. As a related topic, I will also talk about conference travel for the conference known as the ACM IEEE Supercomputing Conference, where me and one of my students traveled to Denver, Colorado in November. So just to begin with and to talk about computer science in general, all of us are aware of what computer science is. It is a science that has penetrated so deep into every aspect of our everyday life that it is difficult to imagine our world without it. The reason is that this is a science of reasoning and problem solving. It enables your thinking capabilities, and just following words from Steve Jobs, that everyone should learn how to program a computer because it teaches you how to think. So we here at USI acknowledge the benefits of the field and strive to incorporate its advantages into the university's academic program. So the computer science program at USI uses the approach of theory, design, develop, and application as an approach to learn about the field of computer science. The principal areas that we teach as a part of our computer science program are operating systems, algorithm design and analysis, programming languages, artificial intelligence, object-oriented programming concepts, computer architecture, network and security, and many other basic areas. In addition, we also give our students a taste of topics from the cutting edge in the news computer science areas, such as parallel and distributed computing, which also uses MapReduce technologies for big data processing, deep learning technologies such as learning about artificial neural networks, and many others. So to enhance the student learning environment and give them an overall development by being a part of the computer science program here, the computer science program has established a local ACM student chapter at USI. So as a part of being a member of that local chapter at USI, students are heavily involved in networking and development programs such as student game nights, or learning about computer science technology topics through ACM webinars, and many other such events. A part of being a member of ACM also enables you to participate in different ACM conferences. And a similar event happened very recently, where I traveled to an ACM conference, the Supercomputing Conference, which is one of the most renowned conferences in the computing field, which was being held in Denver, Colorado in November. I got to travel for my own agendas at the conference, and I got to travel with a student of USI, my student at USI. So at the conference, the student gets to learn from different venues, such as student development programs, professional development programs, opportunities to learn from mentors in the computing field, opportunities to participate in a career fair, which has exhibits from different kinds of industries in computer science, ranging from small-scale startups to big giants like Microsoft, Google, Apple, and Amazon. And it also offers a variety of learning venues for technical topics, cutting edge technology topics at the conference. For example, one of the invited talks this year was from the researchers with the Square Kilometer Array Radio Telescope Lab, where the researchers talked about their experience and how high performance computing and supercomputing helps them to come up with a theory of knowing about what happened at the inception of the Big Bang. So it's a very cool topic, and students that participate at the conference benefit from the venue and learn from all this experience that is exhibited at the conference. So now I would like to invite one of my students who traveled with me to the conference and was selected as a student volunteer to participate in the conference. So I would like to invite Dana to share her experiences as being a student volunteer at the conference.
My name is Dana Tang, and I'm a senior here at USI, computer science major, and I went to the conference with Dr. Srivastava. I found out about the conference because she came to our ACM chapter here at USI and was like, hey, apply to this conference. And I was like, it sounds really cool. I know nothing about supercomputers, but sure. And so then I filled out the application, and it was lengthy, but Dr. Srivastava helped me fill it out, which was very helpful, thank you. And I got into the conference. So I got the email, and I flew there. They flew me there. That was nice that they paid for the flight. The conference paid for the flight and my hotel room. So it was a week-long conference. So during the conference, I had a roommate, and we stayed in this hotel that had different floor themes. One floor had like a Pac-Man theme. My floor was like a Laugh Out Loud floor theme, just on a random note. And then during the week, we went to different whatever rooms were interesting to us, whether that be I went to a women's and high performance computing event, or one about how supercomputers are solving cancer and tumors and the environment. So lots of cool topics. And then I also made connections with a lady who works at Intel, a lady who works at Berkeley, and a guy who works at NVIDIA. So I have been emailing them back and forth, so those people have become my mentors. And then I've also just met during the conference I met a lot of students who are also student volunteers, and they are taking their master's degrees and PhDs, so that inspired me to do that as well. So now after I graduate, I'll be pursuing a master's in computer science. So lots of great things came out of the conference, and I would encourage you to go to the conference as well. And I believe that me being in the ACM club here at USI really helped me get into the conference. So I would encourage you to join ACM too, because it also helps you build your resume, and that helped on my application, because we do a lot of things in the club where we code websites, code drones, and a bunch of other things that look really good on a resume. So there you go.